Hi everyone, it's Miss Jen. We're going to be making salt dough and we're going to make it into like a circle and we're going to make like an emoji salt dough that's going to harden. So what we need is salt, flour, and water and food coloring. So I'm going to get my container. I'm going to move it down so you guys can see. So we need 1 cup of salt. So I have salt that I'm going to, so grown-ups, we're going to help the kids. So we're going to use a measuring cup to measure out 1 cup. It's going to be a lot of salt. Okay, so as you can see, I measured out 1 cup. So I'm going to dump it into my container. And now I'm going to get 2 cups of flour. So it's going to get a little messy, but that's okay. I'm going to measure out 1 cup first. I'll do the next one after. So here's 1 cup of flour, and then we're going to do another cup. Okay, that's, we need a little bit more. Okay, so we have, this is our 2nd cup of flour, so I'm going to dump it in. And then we're going to do 1 cup of water. So I'm going to take a glass of water and pour it into the measuring cup. So we have 1 cup, and I'm going to pour it in, then we're going to mix. If you want to use your hands, that's up to the grown-ups who are with you. I have a plastic spoon. I'm going to start off by mixing it all together. So we just want, and it right now is the time. If you want to add the yellow food coloring, you can, because we're making that emoji salt dough. So hopefully it stays yellow. If you need to add more, you can as you're mixing it. So let's mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. So it looks like the materials that we used are all coming together. So as we're finishing up mixing everything, make sure all of the materials are in the bowl are all together and it looks something similar to this. So depending on how big you want your emoji, it's up to you and the grown-up who's with you. So I'm going to pour this onto a paper plate to show you the shape that I'm going to make. It's, it's a lot. So if you want to keep some on in a container, you can. Mine's going to be a little big because that's the amount I poured out. Okay. So I'm going to try to make it into like a circle on the plate. Like as much as in a circle as I can. It is a little sticky. So as you can see, I try to make it as much of a circle as I can. But now that we have this, we need to let it dry and let it kind of fold, like mold into the circle that we made it to be. Um, and you can make it after it like molds. You can make it any emoji that you want. You can make like a happy. You can either like make the happy face with like your fingers. Like you can make like that, trying to make an eye, an eye, and like a smile. Or you can wait until it dries and like molds to put a face on it for the your emoji. So that since it's going to be a while before it like molds and like forms, I'm going to end the video, and however you make your emoji, just take a picture of it and send it to the teacher. So I hope you guys enjoyed making this salt dough emoji as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye.